The all-new 2027 model Mercedes-Benz S580 Maybach. The coolest fidget spinner money can buy. So the 680 is now also a V8, just like the 580, with a bit more horsepower. The inside is completely isolated from the outside world. See, I could technically just steer it by a single finger. Watch this. Too easy. The Maybach is always top of a notch when it comes to driving, comfort, luxury, the feel, the touch, the quality. Alright, welcome back to another video where today you join me right inside the all-new 2027 model Mercedes-Benz S580 Maybach. Today we will be driving a Maybach, and in today's video I will be giving you a first drive. I have the key right here. The engine is actually already on since it's extremely hot and I need some air. Let me jump outside and give you a quick tour from the outside before we start today's drive. Let's go. So here we have the car. We have a two-tone finish. On top we have Mojave silver, and on the bottom we have emerald green. Just to be precise, we have a 680 here. The 680 is not the V12 in Europe anymore. For China and for US you still have the V12 option, but not in Europe. So the 680 is now also a V8, just like the 580, with a bit more horsepower. Two-tone finish costs 18,000 euros extra, and it will take you a few weeks of making that. We have the coolest fidget spinner money can buy. This is quite cool. It's updated with the new Maybach here with the updated wheels. Two-tone finish, long wheelbase, 680. This is how the car looks from the back. And this is how the car looks from the front. What do you guys think of it? If you want to watch a full walk around, click the info box above. We are in beautiful France, in south of France, and we will be driving it. So let's go. So this is the inside of the car. So let's get right inside and start today's drive. Here we go. As soon as we jump inside, the only thing that you can actually hear is the AC. So as soon as I turn the AC off and the seat ventilation, you have no noises anymore. This is something quite special. The inside is completely isolated from the outside world. So let's get on, let's put on the seatbelts and let's start today's drive. So here we go, putting the car into drive and starting our first drive around Bandol. This is south of France, and let me just give you a few insights. First things first, this is the updated S-Class interior with the Maybach. In general, we have a new steering wheel here with the two-tone finish. Black gloss is a macchiato beige interior finish here. It's also quite special. Apart from that, we have heated and cooled seats here, massage seats as well, Maybach specific. We have a 4D boom as a sound system, which as soon as I turn up the sound will move all the way out. It's something quite special. The infotainment is also updated with the 3D rendering of the car now. It's actually the exact same spec that we have this car here, and this is our first drive. I mean, the only thing that you can hear right now is the AC, and except of that there's no outside noises. That's something I really love. All right, now we are making our way towards the French Autobahn. Let me just give you a bit of a performance upgrade here. Unfortunately, it's not unlimited as we have with the German ones. Yeah, the V8 power that I really appreciate. Huge fan of it. Extremely soft steering here. There we go. See, I could technically just steer it by a single finger. Watch this. Just take a right turn here. Too easy. Okay, we are now on the French Autobahn. 130 we can go, full throttle. Yeah, in terms of sound, we get the V8 sound here, but since we are isolated in the inside, there's not a lot of noises. Also no wind noises at all right now. That's what I can tell you. Yeah, this is quite special. Maybach. A Maybach, you don't even drive fast, you just enjoy the smooth and comfortable drive. Huge fan of it. I love it so much. They've actually also facelifted the drive, the suspension a bit. The driving feels more balanced, but I mean, I cannot even tell because even the pre-facelift version is so good that with this one it's just even more perfect. There's no way to describe it. The Maybach is always top of a notch when it comes to driving, comfort, luxury, the feel, the touch, the quality, and that's what makes a Maybach so special. It's also quite good selling, especially in Middle East and Southeast Asia, especially China. And when I was in Korea, for instance, I saw a lot of Maybach, especially in Seoul. Also in Europe, a lot of guys love it. Everyone actually loves this. Everyone loves the Maybach. But I think in Europe more GLSs, whereas Middle East and China and Korea is more S-classes. Okay, one thing that I have to show you is the driving modes. With dynamic select you can check. We have the comfort mode, which is comfortable driving. We have the Maybach mode, which is also super special since this actually focuses more on the chauffeur driving. And then we have the sport driving, where, I mean, with a V8, you also hear a bit more of sounds of the V8 engine. And the third one is actually individual. So for me, I really love to go with Maybach or comfort mode. I've never driven this kind of sport mode, to be completely honest with you, because it should be illegal. This car, all you gotta do is drive soft, calm, and just enjoy the driving. Literally like driving on a cloud. The suspension is just perfect. And if you just compare it directly with a regular base S-Class, there's a huge difference, since they have actually balanced the driving of this to make it the best and most comfortable. I mean, for example, if you drive the car in Maybach mode, it will always start in second gear, since the shifting from first to second is just not as comfortable as just starting in second gear, you know. This is quite interesting, you know. There's quite a lot of features with this, and I'm a huge fan of it. I mean, in terms of driving, is there a lot of changes? I don't think so. In terms of interior changes, there is a lot. What do you guys think of the new and updated display unit here? I mean, this actually is the exact same one as we had with the E-Class back in the days. I mean, we still have that E-Class. What do you guys think of it? And I'm not quite sure. There's also one thing that really bothers me inside the Maybach, is that we have this camera here just looking at us all day long. I just feel like I'm being watched, especially these high profile individuals that drive these cars. I don't think appreciate having that camera just facing them. What do you guys think of it? Please leave it in the comment section below. So here we are now. We've just arrived at the port. It will take us to our hotel. That's it for today's drive with the all new Mercedes Maybach S-Class, the S680 here. I mean, if you are also interested to see the back, here we have the first class passenger row. The cool thing here is that we have a tray table, and we even have a refrigerator inside there to keep your drinks cool. We have cool seats here, a lot of leather all around, even here on the roof. Also here, even this thingy, it's finished in leather. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much to Mercedes Maybach for letting us experience this all new Mercedes Maybach S-Class, the S680 here, the two-tone finish. Huge fan of the new upgrades of the exterior. Quite unsure about the changes of the interior. What do you guys think? Please leave me your comments in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again, hopefully with another Maybach video. Can't wait to show you something new that's actually coming, that we will be filming here, so stay tuned for that. Already looking forward to see you all again, and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.